Guys, so in the first video you saw that how I do my everyday makeup look, but next video of mine is an actually easy peasy morning to evening glam look in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. सिर्फ 5 मिनट में हम कैसे अपने morning look को evening look में transform कर सकते हैं. So let's get started. First up, we have to just use the most powerful tool, which is the kohl pencil, यानी कि काजल पेंसिल. काजल पेंसिल से हम करेंगे अपना quick, easy, peasy 5 minutes smoky look. Okay, so before I look like a Halloween, let me just tie my hair to demonstrate better to you guys. So I'm taking this kajal pencil. Don't mind that it is in such a broken state. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just apply it outwards only on the sides of my eyes. Just go casual with the strokes. जो भी natural आपसे होता है. Towards creating a wing and filling that wing towards inside like this. Very easy, gentle strokes, and you don't have to worry about the shape of the wing really, because we're going to anyway smoke it up. So going on the other side, similar way, the same step that I do on one side, I did it on the other side. It's an OCD, guys. OCD means obsessive compulsive disorders. I have many. You'll get to know me more in candid as in when I make more videos. So this is an amazing brush by Kiko Milano. It is a dual-ended brush. One is the angular brush and one is the blending brush. Okay, so since I said that this is a glam look for the evening, so what I'm doing is I'm taking Nude Palette by Huda Beauty, because it has this amazing glam, super pigmented glitter colors which I really like. So and it's absolutely new. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this Love Bite color. Love bites. So I took very little color, and what I do is I apply it on top of the kohl line that I created, the kohl wing that I created, and I kind of blend it out. Once again, my strokes are always same if you see outward to inward. So I go outward, inward strokes with this lovely lilac lavender Love Bite color. I build the color gradually by taking more of it, blending it, and creating this kind of a nice, easy 1 minute smoky. I don't know why I call it 5 minutes. Actually, like a 1 minute smoky look once you get the hang of it. It's so easy, guys. It looks like you spent really long time doing this eye makeup, but it's actually as easy as 1 minute. Wow, I just love the pigment in the Huda palettes. They are so super pigmented that it's no kidding. Okay, what is that one weapon or one tool of your entire makeup regime? I would say it is this brush by MAC 217. Guys, everybody who does makeup or knows a bit about makeup should have this fluffy brush from MAC. It's called 217. Go get it now. Yes. Okay, so I am going to be blending this entire thing that I created on the side by using some circular and counter circular strokes. Similarly, I take some more product and I go on the other side. Please omit the funny faces that I make while applying my makeup or my shadow. It's like you'll see me in all the faces possible. But that's not me. That's not real me. But that can be me sometimes when I'm screaming so much at home, or my kids when they don't listen to me. Sound like those faces are very common at home, but not on the camera. Little secret. So that's pretty much, my smoky look for instant smoky look, I would say. So what I have to do is I just have to add some blusher, some gloss and some mascara, and I'm quick ready like this. So I'm gonna show you my final look in a jiffy. My final go-to look for the quick 1 minute transformation from day to evening. And if you want to know that how I got these amazing, super easy, super sexy beachy waves, then stay tuned because I'm gonna very soon upload a video on how I got these at-home heatless curls. And also, before I log out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel guys, show some love, and if you really think that this video is worth sharing, share it with your family and friends.